Now, one of the things that we've been seeing coming from ONVO is that obviously, though we are not getting the kind of sales that we want or we expected, ONVO remains that car that is doing exceptionally well between vehicles of between 200 and 300,000 RMB. I mean, as seen on the screen, you notice that from the 1st of January to the 2nd of March, which is this past Sunday, ONVO year to date, they have sold 11,858, whilst Tesla Model Y has sold 38,132. This shows you that within their segment, ONVO is doing pretty well, pretty decent, pretty solid, because Model Y has only sold 38,000 and ONVO has sold 11,800, which is something that, of course, it shows you that ONVO is putting a very good show. It's doing pretty well. I mean, from the 24th to the 2nd of March alone, ONVO had 1,763, whilst Tesla Model Y had 6,658. The reason why I'm talking also about the Tesla Model Y is because ONVO L60, it is a direct competitor to Tesla Model Y, and seeing them closing the gap, it is something that obviously brings hope. It spikes hope in us to say that this car or this brand will continue doing well, continue snitching some of the sales from Tesla. Tesla, you know that it has been the car company that has been struggling to sell very well in China, in Europe, in the United States of America, which is why their market share today is below $1 trillion. It is because their sales globally, when you look into the deliveries, the sales year to date, they have not been doing well at all. In fact, as seen on the screen, you notice that Tesla sales dropped by 51% from January, which this again confirms what I just told you now. In the month of January and February, Tesla China sold 93,926 units, which is a 28.7 year-on-year decrease, which again, this shows you the kind of fierce competition that Tesla is facing, the kind of market share Tesla is losing. And some of the cars that are making this to be like this for Tesla, it is the ONVO L60. Though we might not be selling that as expected, but this is one of the models that is making Tesla to feel the heat, to feel the suffer of not selling that well in China. And this is just the beginning, because unfortunately ONVO, it is not the only brand that is targeting Tesla Model Y. There is Xiaomi, there is XPeng, there is Li, and the others that are releasing models that are primarily going to come and give serious hit or serious competition to Tesla Model Y. XPeng is G6, Li, I think it's i8, Xiaomi is YU7. These cars over and above the ONVO L60 are the ones that are also coming with the primary purpose of taking as much market share from Tesla as possible. This is something that obviously it's gonna make Tesla to continue losing the market share. It's gonna make Tesla to continue seeing their sales dropping, which I suppose is something that the Tesla investors don't want to hear, don't want to see. But yeah, hopefully they do well in the US, they do well in Europe, but as it stands, things are not looking good, things are not looking sharp for Tesla, which is why they've been not been doing that well. So yeah, man, this is what we saw, this is what we are seeing, and this is not good, man. I must say, this is not good at all. Hopefully things get better, but for us, the ONVO, the Nio investors, this table that we were just going through here, it shows you that ONVO is progressing. They might not be selling what we want, the numbers that we expect, but this company is progressing well in terms of sales. ONVO is doing pretty well, pretty decent, which is something that is great, something that of course is pretty exciting, and hopefully things get better, continue becoming better with time. Right now in March, ONVO is expecting to sell 20,000 deliveries, and there's been rumors to say that the CEO or the president of ONVO did say that they see, or he see them hitting that 20,000 sales this month, which we'll see how that one unfolds. Hopefully they get it. Hopefully Nio scores 20,000 from ONVO alone, and if that is to come to pass, then this month guaranteed Nio is going to sell over 200% deliveries, or plus 200% deliveries year on year, which will be so great, so exciting, because last year in March Nio sold obviously over 11,000 deliveries, and over 30,000 will mean that Nio reports a plus 200,000 or almost 300% year over year, which this is what we want to see. This is what we cannot wait to see. So yeah, man, I am happy, I am excited. Thought I'd come and give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. This is what we have been seeing on to Nio. This is what chances are very high that we are going to see Nio continuing to improve on their deliveries, which will result in them continuing to do very well. Otherwise, with all that, just thought I'd give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, long term will win. Do your own due diligence. Share this video to your friends. I will see you on the next one, and God bless you all.